What do you mean?
The exploits. you want to show the exploits in here?
No,
No.
It won't gonna show anyway. It's there. It's because of the.
没有，这个我们到时候正式官宣才那个正式的。
Okay. Medya TV'den herkese merhaba. Ben Bilgehan Çoruhlu. Tek Toz programımızın bir diğer bölümüne hoş geldiniz. Bugün çok özel bir konuğumuz var. Kendisi çok uzaklardan geldi. Sevgili Jenny Liu. Ona dönmeden önce size aslında Tek Talk hakkında biraz daha bilgi vermek isterim. Biz bu programı daha önce de dile getirdiğimiz gibi sektörden profesyonelleri konuk ettiğimiz, onlarla samimi bazı sohbetler gerçekleştirdiğimiz ve aklımızdaki soruların yanıtlanmasını beklediğimiz bir program formatı aslında Tek Talks. Bugün ise çok sevgili Telycam markasından Jenny bizlerle birlikte. Bundan sonrasında İngilizce devam etmek durumunda olacağım. Fakat altyazılardan takip edebilirsiniz. Tekrardan hoş geldiniz. Hello Jenny, how are you doing?
Hi, pretty good. Thank you to having me here.
Thank you. You are with us in the first time in Turkey.
Yes.
So welcome. And then we are really glad to have you here. So before we start to talk about the Telycam, can I ask you one question?
Yes.
Who are you?
Okay. Right now, I'm in charge of the marketing and the sales, but I can also say that I'm the co-founder of Telycam.
Oh, really?
Yes.
You are the co-founder of Telycam?
Yes.
Nice. We have some really big guys here. Okay, so how you started to work with the Telycam then? So how it started this adventure with the being a co-founder? So,
Aaron founded the Telycam, and because he had the different view based on that market, and he invited me to join him, and I think he has a great sightseeing. So maybe we can try. We can make something different, and we can make some noise in the industry.
Oh, sounds like such a cool guy. I liked him from now on. Anyway, so let's go talk about a little bit the Telycam. Can you share with us, our viewers, a brief history and overview of Telycam? What sets your PTZ cameras apart from the others in the market? What is the difference of Telycam? What can you say?
Okay.
Or can't you say anything? I don't know.
We can say
okay, let's see.
Anything you like. And
okay, cool.
So about the history, and there is a very interesting story. And because in 2012, and Aaron went to Infocom and Las Vegas, and he saw that Zoom, the video conference software we are using right now, at that time Zoom was not so famous, and they give a concept about the cloud-based video conference. And at that time, most of the video conference solutions were hardware-based, and of course it's very quite expensive, and only the government and the big companies were able to use that. And so when Zoom gave the concept of the cloud-based video conference, it means that everybody in the world can use it. So you see in the pandemic of 2019, and everybody needed to stay at home, and so video conferencing like tours, like communication tours. So he was right. And so at that time, he decided to make the USB-based video conference camera for the cloud-based video conference. And so in 2018, because even it is an NAB share, it is a broadcast level share, and we were attracted by technology named NDI, by New Tech, and Aaron said that NDI was great. He can it can make seems so simple, so easy, and so user friendly. And it brought the broadcast level technology to the enterprise.
Yeah, it's
similar as Zoom,
Yeah.
we decided to enter into India technology. So that is how we developed and how we started. So you see the difference between the others. I can see maybe the only difference is we focus. So it's about the positioning. So right now we are really focusing on the broadcast level and but affordable PTZ cameras for the Pro AV industry, for the live streaming, because video is not the trend. It's what we are using right now. Mm-hmm. And everybody and like the end users and maybe the individual users or maybe the enterprise, maybe the corporators and the education, everyone want to share the content with the people. Mm-hmm. They use the video to share with each other. So, but everyone, no matter what kinds of users, they want to have very high quality content. Mm. So for video, what is the high quality? Of course, the image quality. So we focus on these parts very much. So
yeah, I see. And there was a great breakthrough indeed, and so many companies seen some opportunity on there, and you are one of them as well, and you did well according to what I experienced with the Telycam. So another question for you in we know that I don't know, in a rapidly evolving industry like media technology, how has Telycam adapted to the changing landscape of technology advancements? I can ask what type of innovations that have made an impact for Telycam?
Okay.
What type of technologies you are proud of?
Okay. So for camera, it is only meaningful when it is used in a workflow or in an ecosystem. Of course, camera can used for capturing the video, but you cannot only use the camera for everything. You need the other things to be together as a workflow. So I think that what we do is we keep an eye on this kind of technology. And we know that we must be compatible with all kinds of different kinds of ecosystems and workflows. So we work in this way, and such as, of course, India. India still is the main AV-hour IP technology in the market, but we are also concerning about the other technologies, not only about the AV-hour IP, but also the other trends.
Like, can you give some examples about them? So what you're focusing on?
For example, AR and the VR systems.
That's cool. That's really cool.
Yes.
Okay. So when we think about the customer side, let's say we know Telycam for your good quality the products, but could you shed light on the company's approach to customer satisfaction and support? What measures do you take to ensure your clients have a positive experience? So you have any
I think I don't think it is a question. Okay, first,
so you basically say that I did wrong, so the question is wrong.
No.
So am I wrong?
No.
It's my program. I'm the host, I like to innovate. No worries.
I don't think a post service is a problem for us. First, we control the quality from the very beginning, from the designing. So, we are very careful about the designing of course, from the designing to the production. We are very strict. We are very careful. So you can see that the repair rate is very less. So first, it's reduced a lot of repair job for our team. And second, that if the customers have problems, have questions, maybe we cannot fix them immediately, but we can give them answer, we can give them response that we are concerned about the problem.
Yeah.
And we listen to them. So and I can say basically of the problems can be fixed easily, maybe upgrade the firmware, maybe do a little bit replacement in the part spares. So it's quite easy.
Well done. Yeah,
that is why I said it's not a question.
I see. So it's a good answer for such a stupid question. So well done. That's right. Anyway. So meanwhile, I have one message to our guys in the operation. Arkadaşlar arada videoyu da gösterebilirsek izleyiciler sıkılmasın, çok memnun oluruz. Yes, we can continue from now on. Okay. So every industry faces challenges. We know that. Could you discuss some of the unique challenges Telycam has encountered and the innovative solutions to the companies implemented to overcome them?
Oh.
So it's a hard question as well? Or is
No.
Okay.
I can say that the most challenge is actually the best feature, the image quality. You know, why I say that, you know, the people, they cannot afford to have, for example, when we were kids, we see the video maybe, how to say, 640 plus 360 pixels resolutions, and they changed it to 720p and changed to 1080p, and right now 4K 60 we can see that maybe 8K. So, you know, from the vision parts, the users or the audience, they always prefers high quality image. Better. There is not best, always better. So for us, the challenge is this: how to make better image quality.
So even sometimes I hate this the when it comes to the image. So everyone wants better image quality. Nobody even talk about the audio. I'm an audio guy, you know that, right? So I'm an audio engineer, but nobody even talk about the audio. Everybody wants a better image quality. Actually, you are right. So actually when you talk about the video, the first thing first, image should be good, right?
Yes.
So, of course, we are living in a era that there are so many content creators, like the YouTubers, I don't know, the streamers, etc. But everything is common. That video quality is the one measurement that is that about quality of the content as well.
Yes.
So that's really great.
Yes, I know there are lots of challenges for futures, of course. We have IP technology, we have other AI technology like that. But, you know, not everybody need the IP or AI or something or some other features, but everybody needs good image quality.
Yeah, you're right.
That is the challenge, and that is what we are working right now.
Oh, that's great. Okay, for looking ahead, what exciting developments or projects can we expect from Telycam?
Okay, so I can see that from our view, we see the future still AI, AR, VR. So this would be the future, even for the camera. And so you know that we are making the AI-based auto tracking for our current cameras, but
which was really brilliant.
Yes, but the users, they always special something, some amazing thing based on AI. I don't know what will be happening for AI in the future, but we are ready for that. So we are open for any AI technology, including the AR and the XR.
That's really great. So there are so many people that they don't like AI, even
in maybe there is some innovation center in which was created by British, how to say. There are always for evaluations, innovators, and there are lots of people who cannot adapt it to it, but we need to accept it because it's changed. So we cannot avoid it. We need to embrace it. We need to adapt to it, and we need to use it. So we need to adapt it. So
okay, that makes sense. So actually, when it comes to the innovations and the technology, so I don't know, everything is so fast in the technology.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So even that AI was such a thing that we were talking and discussing with friends or something. Now it's everywhere. Even people are doing their homeworks with that.
Yeah.
So obviously AI is the future. Then when you talk about AR, XR, that's the future of the media technologies as well. It's obviously. So it's good to hear that you are already working on that as a Telycam. So it makes me excited from now on even. So the thing that actually I'm gonna ask you a question, but it's like a not an objective question, okay?
Okay.
So you need to answer carefully. So what is your thoughts about MediaCast?
Oh, MediaCast is really, really our best partner. Yes,
Thank you.
And we like MediaCast team, not only payment. We like the whole team. And yeah, Eddie.
So I'm the host. I want to remind you, but that's okay. I love Eddie as well.
Really, really amazing. In Burst Dubai team and the Turkey team, your team is energy and how to say, there is a word from Steve. And I can say that you are staying hungry, staying foolish, staying hungry. So you are the team like this way.
Okay, that's great. So in the post-production process, I will cut out my question part, and you will just say good things about the MediaCast without even asking. It's a great plan. Okay, thank you very much. So we're really happy to have you here. I hope you enjoyed Turkey as well, because it's your first time. I'm gonna say thank you very much for coming here. We are really happy to see you here. I hope you enjoyed your trip in Turkey. But I wanna tell you something. We have a tradition in this program. So normally our guests will do the talk for closing the session.
Okay.
So you don't have time to think. Just go.
Okay, thank you very much, and thank you for having me. And we love MediaCast, and we love our dealers, and we love Turkey. Cities view.
Oh, that's okay. That's so sweet. Okay. Görüşmek üzere arkadaşlar. Bir sonraki Tek Talk programında yeniden burada olacağız. Sürpriz konuklarla. Teşekkürler Jenny. Teşekkürler herkese. Görüşmek üzere. Abi bir şey unuttuk ya. Evet arkadaşlar, tekrardan geri geldim. Çünkü çok önemli bir şeyi unuttuk. Sevgili Jenny bize çok heyecan verici bir bilgi verecek. Kendisi Telycam'in en yeni kamera modelini birazcık tanıtacak. Tekrardan Jenny'ye bağlanıyoruz. Okay Jenny, we are listening to you.
Okay, thank you very much. And I'm Jenny from Telycam, and right now I'm in MediaCast. So I'm very glad to be here to introduce our totally brand new PTZ camera, Explore SE. It is a broadcast level 4K 60p 30x PTZ cameras. So why we say that it is a broadcast level? Because it really have some brilliant features I'm going to talk about. So let's look at this housing, and it is different from our current ones, and it is much bigger because it has a big sensor inside, and so you can see there are tally lights in front of the camera and also in the rear of the cameras. And so also the sensor inside is Sony 1.8 inch. And so it can deliver 4K 60p resolution, while different kinds of broadcast the video output interface. So we can see in the back of the camera, there are lots of interface I would like to share here. So the first is the SFP Plus. It is the fiber optical transmission. So it can transmit the video over 10 kilometers. And also we have two 12G SDI. And so with the Genok, and so with the 212 SDI and the one, you can have a 4K 60p view for the full angle, and You can also crop the image and output a close-up shot from the other SDI output. So it means that one camera can be used for 2 shots. And with the Genlock, and it can synchronize the video, so it can give very smooth and accurate data to the video production systems. Meanwhile, it also has the traditional HDMI video output interface, and of course our favorite, the NDI interface to output the 4K 60 in the same time. And in addition to the video interface, I would like to show that we have 2 options for the audio input, and the one is still the 3.5 mm stereo line input, and the other is the XLR. So you can connect your microphone with the camera, input the video and output to with the SDI, HDMI, NDI, SLP in the same time. And so also the XLR support the pen power, so it means that it can give the power to the microphone directly. So yes, it's so amazing. And for the control, you have lots of choice. You can control it by the 232 and 422 and also 485. And the amazing part is that we have for the SD card here, so you can use it for firmware upgrading as well as recording. Yes, when you streaming, you can record your live streaming while the SD card. So it's so amazing, and we can call it the broadcast level PTZ cameras. So we want to make some noise. So the reason we bring this camera to the users, you know that no matter what cancel for live event, and the users expect super high quality image. So we bring the Exploit SE to the market, and it will be available to the market very soon. Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you very much for this valuable information. Evet arkadaşlar, yepyeni Telycam kamerası hakkında da bilgi almış bulunduk. Aksaklık için özür dileriz. Biraz amatörlüğümüze denk geldi. Bir dahaki sefere unutmamak dileğiyle. Hoşçakalın, iyi bakın kendinize.
CDC, what is that?
What is that?
I love you. What is that?
Oh, seni seviyorum.
Seni seviyorum.
Okay, you wanna make it? You wanna do it again?
Seni seviyorum.